fall in the chair. Exception. Oh, really?
Yeah, look at them all.
And that one on the corner, you can see it gets got smashed.
Oh.
Doesn't get together.
He's almost there.
Do we clap? No, they don't got him.
Was it one other guy going down too?
I mean, he's
The other
helping
guy
to steer
has to
him.
like steer him and then release him.
Oh.
At least he's not alone. That's doing repairs or something.
Yeah. You have to have like a little bit of grit to this job too. But then,
Oh my god. They don't want you.
So do you think?
No, I just walked
Yeah.
back from the 200s.
Because you have a soy latte.
I do have so I put it down, I couldn't hold everything. Stupid dinosaur computer. It's huge.
So you think the person whose desk is at that window has gone home for the day?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, they're probably in worse
I imagine there's a lot of
danger than the guy hanging from the harness.
How is like a pressure or radiance? I'm sure it's just like constant air being. So,
Who did you say were people now? They're all
Is that also
flying
coming out of
against
the city
the
budget?
last.
Oh, well, it's the city crews are already down there ready with the road closed signs.
oh yeah.
It's a lot of fire trucks too down there.
You got 4 people stabilizing. Yes, he's on it.
Yay!
The other guy was.